Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who takes nail care seriously, today's product might just be what you've been looking for. We're diving into the 10-piece manicure set, complete with tools for both fingernails and toenails, all elegantly housed in a black crocodile-patterned leather case. Now let's take a closer look at this set, starting with what you get in the box. A nail clipper, 2-in-1 manicure tool, nail scissors, cuticle scissors, sapphire nail file, and various tweezers, straight, slanted, and pointed, as well as a nail nipper and cuticle nipper. So, it covers everything you could need for a comprehensive manicure and pedicure. The case itself, stylish and practical. The black leather exterior features a sophisticated crocodile pattern, while the velvet-lined interior not only protects the tools, but adds a touch of luxury to the whole package. It's also designed for easy portability, making this set an excellent choice for travel. What stands out the most about this set is the quality of the materials. The instruments are made from polished stainless steel, which is rust-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and nickel-free, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Whether you're trimming your nails or shaping your cuticles, you'll appreciate the smooth, precise finish these tools provide. Now, how does it perform in real-world use? I've had the chance to test it, and let me tell you, each tool in this set feels ergonomically designed. The nail clippers cut through nails easily, and the cuticle scissors are sharp yet gentle, preventing any accidental nicks. The sapphire nail file is particularly impressive. It smooths out edges without causing any discomfort. The tweezers, with their precise tips, are great for plucking stubborn ingrown hairs or stray eyebrow hairs. I also tested the tools during a pedicure, and they performed just as well on toenails as they did on fingernails. However, there are a few things worth noting. While the set is complete and convenient, it might not be the best fit for someone who prefers more specialized tools for specific needs. The 2-in-1 tool is a nice addition, but it could feel a bit bulky for people who prefer more delicate tools for manicures. For its price point, this set offers a lot of value. The genuine leather case and the high-quality stainless steel construction make it a solid investment, especially for anyone who frequently does their nails at home or on the go. Considering the durability and luxurious feel, I'd say it's definitely worth the price if you're looking for a complete set. In comparison to other similar sets on the market, this one definitely stands out in terms of the sleek design and the quality of the materials. While some alternatives might come in at a lower price, they often don't offer the same level of craftsmanship or the aesthetically pleasing case, which might matter if you want a set you can proudly display or carry with you. As for build quality, the metal frame adds a sense of sturdiness to the leather case, which holds the tools securely in place. The overall build quality is excellent, and I expect these tools to hold up well over time, provided they're kept clean and stored properly. I haven't had to reach out to customer support, so I can't speak to their responsiveness, but the brand has a reputation for providing decent customer service, and given the price point, it's reasonable to assume they would back up any issues that might arise. Looking for something similar, but perhaps at a more affordable price? There are other sets on the market that offer stainless steel tools and come in compact cases, though they might not have the same level of refinement or elegance as this crocodile pattern case. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, there are certainly good alternatives out there. So does this set live up to expectations? If you're someone who enjoys keeping your nails in tip-top shape and appreciates a bit of luxury in your beauty routine, then absolutely, yes. The tools are durable, functional, and stylish. However, if you're looking for something super specialized or you don't mind compromising a bit on the design, there are cheaper alternatives to explore. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. What's your go-to nail care set? Let's talk about it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.